Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 12th of January 2021. The year is going again. So, briefly before we proceed with this strategy, we just launched a new trading programming bot, the binary PIPSREAPER. And just to update you guys who haven't purchased the bot, just a one-time purchase. This bot won't be updated, unlike TOUCHSCALPER. Once you purchase it, there won't be any update because it's based on digits and is very effective. Is a bot, and here is a link to purchase it. Binary PIPSREAPER bot.cty technologies.com.ng is just 7.99 USD. Is very affordable, and here are some of the results of the bot on a live trading account. Is a live trading account. You can see the reference number, you can see everything right here. You can see here are some of the results of the bot. It's January 2021. You can see right there is very effective, and the stake is low, as you can see. So we are controlling the risk for this bot, so it's an effective bot. Here are some results again. See, here is the link again to purchase this bot. Binary PIPSREAPER bot.cty technologies.com.ng. As stated earlier, we won't be updating the bots, just a one-time purchase. And for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER bots, which we update regularly, here is the link to purchase this bot. It's just 9.99 USD. Just visit www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng to purchase this bot. You can see some results of the new version, which the version 5.0 is out. You can see some of the results right there. Just 9.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategy. Just subscribe to all our channels. And here are the links again. Here are the links. Is a link to the PIPSREAPER. Is a link to order the PIPSREAPER. Is a link right here. PIPSREAPER bot.cty technologies.com.ng, and is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot. TOUCHSCALPER.cty technologies.com.ng, and this is a link to, for those who don't have a trading account, just check the YouTube video description. We are going to paste all this link in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account. You see the link in the video description on YouTube, and this is a link to subscribe to our channel, the first channel and the second channel. So just subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. Here we'll be trading the in and out volatility 75 index. We are using the webtrader.binary.com. so once you log in to the webtrader.binary.com, you don't really need the chart, just using it for something else. You don't really need it. So you are going to open the trade, go to trade, go to synthetic indices, volatility 75 index. Then the trade type, you click on in and out. Then this one is ends outside, the duration is 2 minutes. The high barrier offset, you type this there, plus 122.6731. Then the low barrier offset, you type it here, minus 220.2337. So you enter the amount you are going to be staking. We will be making 14.7%. You can see it's going up and it's green. Once it's raising up and it's green right there, we are going to click on purchase. We are working with a warm movement here. Once it's facing up a bit and it's green, we are going to click on purchase. You can see it's faced up there and the edges is green. So let's watch the outcome of the trade. We have 1 minute 49 seconds left. we're at 59 seconds, 57. So we're outside now. We're outside again. So we still have some seconds left. We're still outside. So as you can see, we've won that trade. We've won that trade there. These are exit spots. This is the entry spot. So these are exit spots, which is lower than the entry spot, and there's a higher barrier we set. So this is a low barrier. The exit spot is lower than the lower barrier. So you can see we won that trade. So we're going to wait for at least 50 seconds before we trade again. So let's just wait so that the market will rebound. Let's wait for at least 50 seconds. Don't forget our boat, the PIPSREAPER boat is out and it's very effective. Here is the link to purchase the boats. Binary PIPSREAPER boats.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, and here are some of the results. You can see the boat is very effective, and we've minimized the risk on these boats because of the, you can see the stake that has been reduced. And for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boats, just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. This is a different boat entirely. For those who have been asking questions if they have to purchase it, this is a new program, so you have to go ahead to the website to purchase the boats. It's not free, because it's another program entirely. It's different from the TOUCHSCALPER. You will continue to receive updates for the TOUCHSCALPER. For those who have previously purchased the boats, we will not send updates for this boat. It won't be updated because it's based on digits. It won't be updated. So just visit the site to purchase the boat. It's just 7.99, while the TOUCHSCALPER is 9.99. You can make payment using Bitcoin or web money. You can see it's going up. Let's go for another trade. Web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and so many payment options. So we still have 1 minute 18 seconds. We are still in between, but we are out. We are still out, but we still have some time. So we're outside, but we still have a minute. Still outside. So the current spot is lower than the lower barrier. You can see we are still outside. It's still lower than the lower barrier. Just 10 seconds left. Okay, there you go. We won the trade again. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. You can go on and on and on by using the strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. We'll be dropping 2 strategies on this channel today and the other channel. Just subscribe. And for those who haven't purchased our boats, this is the new boat, PIPSREAPER. Is the link to purchase the boat. Check the video description on YouTube. And for the TOUCHSCALPER, there is a link to purchase the boat. Check the video description on YouTube for all the links. Thanks for watching. Bye.